Hey loves, and welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Esther and I do sewing, fashion and DIY videos. And in today's video I'll be doing something completely different from my usual sewing videos. So a company called Craft Ease reached out to me and they wanted me to try one of their products. And Craft Ease is an art and craft brand. They promote art therapy to customers in form of paint by numbers and diamond painting. So they have two options: the paint by numbers and diamond painting. And I decided to go in for the diamond painting. I wanted to try that because I haven't done that before. So I'll be going in depth with you guys. So this is their website and they have a lot of diamond paintings. They already have designs there you can choose from, like a lot of them. So if you don't like any of their designs, they also have custom made, so you can choose the custom made option. And then when you choose that, you have the option to choose which size you want the canvas or the painting to be in. And then you also have the option to choose for the shape, either round or square. And then you can then upload the file or the picture you want to use. So once you open your package, these are what you get from it. You get the glue canvas, you get your two kits or the two set, and then the diamonds. So this is how the canvas looks like. It already has the picture that you want to paint on it. So I decided to do the custom one because I wanted to paint my own picture, and I made the dress that I am wearing in this image. So on the side also you would see some numbers and symbols, and that is going to guide you to be able to place your diamonds on the picture. And you can also see that it has a plastic covering because the surface is really sticky, and that is what is going to enable you to stick the diamonds onto the canvas. So with the sewing kit, sorry, with the two kits, also these are what you get from. These are what you get. You get the tray, and then you get these two stuff. I think you put them on the applicator. I've never used it before, so yeah, you put them on the applicator so that it will be comfortable for you to use. And then you get two applicator gum. So I will show you how to use these ones. And you also get a tweezer. So this is for picking the diamonds. So yeah, this is what you get from the two kits. It also comes with a paper with the picture you're going to paint, the size, and all the instructions, and also the symbols, as you can see. So to begin with the painting, I straightened the canvas a little bit because it was rolled, so I rolled it the other way around to straighten it a bit. So now I will take my tray and then also decide on which color I want to work with, which is the black one. You can see that there is a number on the plastic thing over there. So when you take the paper and then you decide on which color you want to use, you see that the symbol for the black one is 3, and then the ID is the number, and it shows you how many bag of that painting you have. So it's really easy to follow and really easy to do. So I will show you the black and 3. You see that the black has number 3 on it. So that is what we're going to do now. I'm going to put black on all the 3 I see on this canvas. So what I do is I use one pack at a time because I don't know how long I'm going to stay at a time, because this is not a one day painting thing. So I just start with one pack of diamond at a time. It's really easier to do it that way. So I'll just open one pack and put it in the tray, and this is how it looks. It looks a bit shiny and yeah, it's squared. And with the plastic on top of the canvas, I peel it little by little as I go. So when I get to where I want to work, then I peel it just a little bit so that I don't lose the stickiness of the glue. And then with the applicator, I will stick it into the applicator glue to get some stickiness. So that will enable me to be able to pick the diamonds to stick it on to the canvas. So that is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to grab all the black, which is the symbol 3, and then put them all wherever I'm going to see 3. So that is what I am going to do, and then I'll get back to you guys and explain to you or show what it looks like to you. So I'm done placing the black diamonds at the right places where they're supposed to be, and this is how they look now. So now I'm going to move to another color. It doesn't really matter what color. So I'll just pick any and then I would start painting that one as well. So the next one I'm going to fix is, the ID is 154 that you can see on the plastic package here on the bag. And it's only one because it's just a few patches that I need to fix this diamond, and the symbol is also one, so I can show you one on the canvas, so you can see one here, and also you can see the color. So that is what I'm going to do now. So the other color has been fixed. That was number 1, and those were just a few, so it was really quick. So I'm going to move on to the next color, and then the next and the next, and I'm just going to fast forward, and then I'll show you guys the end result once everything has been done. So don't go away, stay tuned, and I'll tell you what I think about the whole diamond painting, the good and the bad, or the pros and the cons. So yeah, stick with me to the end, and yeah. So I would go on to share with you guys my experience with the diamond painting, what I think, and the pros and cons. So I will start off by telling you guys the pros, and then afterwards I'll tell you the cons. So let me start giving you some amazing benefits with the diamond painting. So number one, I would say it minimizes stress and anxiety. It calms your mind. It's so much like coloring books and puzzles. You know how they make you, it's really fun to do. And I would also say it's a type of mindfulness based art therapy, because diamond painting can be considered as an art that helps you meditate. So in summary, I would say like it's really fun to do, and then it calms you down. Another benefit of the diamond painting is that it offers a creative DIY project, which is certain to get your creative juices flowing. It makes you proud to have made something incredible for yourself, even though you might not be an artist. So yeah, it makes you proud. You would always be proud if you are able to make something that you thought you would never be able to do. So with mine experience, I would also say it helps you unplug from all the technology around, like your phones, your tablet, TV, and just a few to mention. It helps you get in touch with your creative side without, drying out your eyes over the glare of a bright screen. So yeah, this is also a great way to unplug from all the social media stuff and all those things. Yeah. So another thing or another benefit I would say is that it's also a great gift on its own, or to offer the finished painting to someone. So if you have someone that you want to gift something but you don't know what to give them, you can either buy the diamond painting to them so they can paint by themselves, or you can paint something meaningful to you or that person with a diamond painting and offer the finished products to them. So also it's also a great way to paint something meaningful to you. So if you have something, a picture or something that is really meaningful to you, and if you don't know how to paint with a normal paint, you can use the diamond painting to make this thing, and then you can put it in your room or whatever, wherever is convenient for you, or wherever you would like to put it. So I think these are the benefits of diamond painting. In my experience, there could be other things that I haven't explored yet. So now let's move on to the cons of diamond painting. And to be honest, I would say it takes a lot of time to make the diamond painting. So I think that is why it's really good to calm you down and all that. So it's not a one day thing. You need time and patience for this kind of art. So I think it took me about 2 weeks to complete this one that I did. So yeah, I would say to me that is the con with the diamond painting. And oh yeah, another thing I forgot about the benefit of the diamond painting is that it's not messy, unlike the painting with the paint. Yeah, so you have to clean your hands, you have to wash your hands, you might stain your clothes or something. So I feel like the diamond painting is more, for me it's more easier and not messy to do. So if this is something you would like to try, I would leave all the information you would need in the description box. I'll put the link to the shop over there, and also a promo code that will get you 20% off of your order. So yeah, thanks for watching, and let me show you the end result of this amazing painting. So this is the picture over here at the right top corner, and this is the final result. I really like how it came out, and I can't wait to put this in a glass frame and then hang it somewhere in my room. It's so precious to me, and the fact that I made this dress myself. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you again in another video, which is definitely going to be a sewing video. So yeah, if you enjoy watching this, don't forget to like, and bye.